Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a blur on the background only with CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the image photo I want to edit, and you can select your video uh, to the track. So go to the effect and select the blur effect. You can select like select lens effect, and you can find blur effect. Just add to track, and just for the duration the same line, and you can select the clips, right click and select create compound clips. So go to media and add the same photo, put as an overlay, put on top another clip, and go to cutout for remove the background. So just select all the cutout. Here we go. So this is the final effect you have on your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.